Hi everyone. So first of all, I would like to say sorry to whoever is actively following the channel. I have been inactive for a while, like last 2-3 weeks. I have not uploaded any video because I was on a vacation actually. But yeah, I will try to have a weekly upload from now onwards. Yeah. So this is a pattern of question. Okay. Now here, what the question is saying? Question is saying there is a function fn which is 4n plus root of 4n square minus 1 upon root 2n plus 1 plus root 2n minus 1, and they are asking what is f of 1, f of 2, f of 3, sum of this till f of 10. Okay, so this is a very generic question which comes in maths. Okay, so generally lot of times you might have seen there is a function given and they are asking sum, subtraction, addition, or some maths here. Okay, so what's the right way of approaching such type of questions? The right way is, like, first thing that you can think about is directly input the values and you will get a what pattern should be helpful here. Okay, that is one of the things. But now see, this function is little very big. Like if we input 1, if we input 2 and try to find a pattern, it will be difficult. So generally the first thing that should come to your mind is, how do I simplify this function? Okay. If I try to look at the function. So yeah, 2n plus 1 is there, 2n minus 1 is there, 4n square minus 1. 4n square minus 1 looks like it can be broken down into 2n plus 1, 2n minus 1, right? So what is 4n square minus 1? 4n square minus 1 is actually 2n minus 1, 2n plus 1, right? So one thing we identify here. Okay. What is the second thing? Second thing is, these are repeating terms. So now this is root 4n, root of 2n minus 1, 2n plus 1, root of 2n minus 1, 2n minus 1, 2n plus 1. The second thing that you think is, whenever a terms repeat, okay, this is type of approach which you can use for different questions as well. Whenever a function repeats in the entire function, or in a small part repeats, expression repeats, you can name this as A and you can name this as B. Okay. So what my equation says now? Okay, it would be better if I name root of 2n plus 1 as A and root of 2n minus 1 is B, because then again we will have to mention the roots here, right? So I name root 2n plus 1 is root 2n minus 1. Now what is my equation saying? My equation is saying f of n 4n plus root of 4n square minus 1, 4n square plus 1. So this is root of 4n square minus 1. So this is 2n minus 1. This is 2n plus 1 upon root of 2n plus 1 plus root of 2n minus 1. Okay. So this is the thing. This is AB. If I think it is 4n plus AB upon A plus B. Right? I get this question. Now how do I solve this? Now this 4n is there here. I need to get that 4n also. Right? This should be your next question. This is A plus B. So if I get this entire equation A and B, no, I'm sorted. How am I going to do this? Okay. 4n upon AB. Now just try to look at the terms. What happens? What is A square plus B square? 2n plus 1 plus 2n minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 cancels. 4n. Oh, so this 4n can be done here. So this is something that you need to try. Like you can try A square minus B square. Now I am trying here. A square minus B square. What is A square minus B square? 2n plus 1 minus 2n plus 1. This is 2. Okay. So yeah, you need to play with these equations and you need to get this into A and B. Now 4n. Now I know A square plus B square is 4n. Okay. A square plus B square plus AB and this is a plus b. Good that I have my entire equation in terms of a square, a plus b square plus ab plus a plus b. Now how do I proceed further? Okay. Can this equation be simplified somehow? I go to my algebra and I try to think about equations or formulas. Can I further simplify this? If I look a plus b, okay, so what I can do is I can a minus b, and a minus b multiply to both sides. What will this happen? A square plus ab plus a square plus b square plus ab, a minus, this is a cube minus b cube, right? And this is a square minus b square. Wonderful. So I land up here, a cube minus b cube, a square minus b square. Now again, a square minus b square is 2, right? So this we were able to generate from here. What is the equation? It is a cube minus b cube. Great. Now the next thing. Okay, so actually what is the thing, whenever these functions are asked, lot of additions are asked, subtractions are asked, some algorithm is asked with lot of tasks. Generally what happens is, it's a pattern that I have observed actually, that generally there are subtraction, like some terms get eliminated. Okay, now let's see this. Okay, now we have this. What is A? A is root of 2n minus 1. What is B? B is root of 2n plus 1. Right? So what do I do here? I do a cube minus b cube. Okay. So what is A? What is n? N is equal to 1. So what is f of 1? F of 1 is equal to half into, what is A? This is 1. This is plus root 3. Minus is there, right? Here minus root 3 the whole cube is there. 1, 3, root 3 the whole cube. What is f of 2? F of 2 is equal to half upon half 2, 4 minus 1, root 3 is 3, root 3 cube minus, what is b? Oh, I again did a mistake. 2n minus 1, this is 2n plus 1. Be careful guys, be careful. Root 2n plus 1, root 2n minus 1, okay? That will I was thinking, how is that possible? So this is 3, this will be 1. I'll just clean it up. Such types of mistakes you need to be very careful with. Okay? So A is root of 2n plus 1, B is root of 2n minus 1. Okay? So what is f of 1? F of 1 is half into A is equal to root 3 ka cube minus 1 ka cube. What is f of 2? F of 2 is equal to half 4, 5, root of 5 ka cube minus 2, 4 minus 1, root of 3. So what is the pattern you are seeing? This term is getting removed, right? Now let's try f of 10. What is f of 10? Half into root of 2n plus 1, root of 21 the whole cube to 21 the whole cube minus root of 2n minus 1 the whole cube, root of 2n minus 1. What is 2n minus 1? 10, 20, 19 the whole cube. Right? So what we are saying? We are saying that whatever is the next term, that is being cancelled with the previous is first term. So this will get cancelled here. This is a pattern, right? So this is one term remaining, this is one term remaining. So what is the sum? Sum is equal to, this is, let's take this first. So it is root 21 ka whole cube divided by 2 minus half. So this is it. This is the answer. Right? So just to summarize the approach here, whenever you get in questions a function, okay, the function is slightly bigger and they ask you to do some maths on it, like addition, subtraction, some operation work on it. First thing you do is, if the function is very small, you directly substitute values and see what's the pattern that is being formed. But if the function is big, you try to understand what are the representation, like 2n minus 1, 2n plus 1, 4n minus 12 can be represented 2n plus 1, 2n minus 1. You, whatever terms are repeating, you name them as A, B, C, so that it can be simplified. Then A and B, you try to do some operation like A square plus B square, A square minus B square, A plus B. You will get a pattern once you solve such multiple questions, okay? Then I input them in functions. Then I go to the basics of my algo. Like, if this was a term, can I simplify the equation even further? Right? Then I input whatever values I got from the equation. Then I solve. And whenever these functions are, then there's some operation, there is some pattern which will simplify your work. They will never expect you to do entire addition, subtraction. So now here we see this term is being eliminated with the previous term. So only the last term of this and first term of this will remain. So yeah, this was the problem. And this is the pattern that you need to apply for such type of questions. Yeah. If you have any doubts, questions, you all can write down on the comment section. And if you all want me to create any specific video, I'm open for that as well. Yeah. Bye guys. Have a good day.